Mm. Time to give that taste. Tastes good. Nutmeg inside. Salt in there. Cinnamon leaf. Coco porridge. Mm. Mm-mm. So right about now, about to light up the fire right there, so yeah. Get some stone now. Cause mosquito them active out there, you know. Need about 3 stone figure here, so. Or 2 more stone. 2 more stone, got 1 stone there already. So get 2 more stone. One already. Need to find the next stone here now. More stone here now. Right, so light up the fire here now. Bag of wood there, so. Lighter. Show them out. Tangerine wood. One I broke off. I can't use the catch of wood still. Oh, the shrubs. This is it. It's show time. Light up the fire so can get rid of some of the mosquito them and think mosquito them nothing. Mosquito them nothing a bush. Alright. Let me can find a piece of plastic boy place. Can cut piece of the bag. I never really want to cut the bag still. I get piece of plastic and come back. Alright, so get piece of plastic. Try with that piece of first. Alright, ready for lighting up now. Careful, you know, cause plastic will drop and bone, you know. You have to know what you do. I just get little crank and take time put some crank on it up. Yeah. So light fire in a bush. Careful. Yeah man, fire get there man. Yeah man. Catch up the fire first. First thing first, the fire. Get rid of the mosquito them too. You know, we can't work with the mosquito them. The mosquito them bad. Fire catch up. Quick and easy. Yeah man. Fire blazing one go, you know. One go me use and light the fire. Yeah. One go. Alright, so time to peel up the cocoa them now. Yeah. It's a small pot me I do, you know, so you don't know anything come now. Cocoa them. You see them, I dig them cocoa are fresh. So, oh, calabash, me I use up my calabash them. And one day I make some calabash. So, use up the calabash them and things. Peel up the cocoa them, you know. Just peel them. Right there, so. Hard cocoa. Yeah, black joke cocoa. So when food job, somebody hungry. But more like I'm hungry. Yeah, man. Cocoa them I get peel up. Fire go on with itself. So put pot pan fire, man. Nice cocoa. Alright, so just cut this up in a small pieces. Cause blend it up, you know. I depend the long thing today. That drop again. And don't forget to have them pieces because cocoa kind of spring a little bit, you know. So have to be careful. Yeah. Alright. The next piece. Oh, next piece, Peel up on next one, you know. Next one, you know, to peel up on thing. Yeah. Go like this now. Got that one. So for all I dirt, one thing. You got turn over. Clean them up. Alright, so I broke the coconut, you know. And I need to get something for in case anything we can throw out and drink. Get one of my calabash dish them, so don't know. Yeah, Jesus. Water waste. Broke bad. Time for some coconut now. Don't know, say. When your porridge active, use coconut juice. Real coconut taste piece. Oh, come on, easy though. Now I bust my brain. So I'll get one more little piece, you know. Cause I don't think I use all of this. Get one little piece. Alright. Think we need more than this. Right? I cut them up small now. Cut them coconut small. Cut them up so small. I cut them up small so blend sugar easy in a blender. This good to go. Get the next piece. No? Yeah, just like that. Alright, so time to wash them off, you know. We have to clean them up and thing. Mash up the coconut. This can get a little more cut. I'll put the piece in that twice. Alright. Coconut clean and pretty, you know. Yeah. That is it. Stay tuned, peeps. Alright, so time to get in the coconut. Coconut, may I blend up first. Get in the coconut. Get in some water. Get on the cover, you know. Alright, so we'll start it up, you know. Start it up, you know. Start it up. Oh, thing no plug in a joke this. Hold on there. Alright, so plug in, you know, so I press any button, you know. Hold on there. I'll go on there, so. I'll go on there, so. Yeah, man. Coconut blend up. Alright, so coconut blend up. I have my calabash container. So I just go strain it off in it. Yeah. Get off the top. I have this big strainer thing from there. Buy this one there, so show no how I go on, you know. Set up my calabash container, you know. Ready to go now. Strainer big, so I spill some. Alright, so in case I have to strain it one more time, so I'll put the trash them on this. Hold on. That is it. Right. So I add a little more water to it. So I have more coconut juice. Alright. Add little more water so I can get some more coconut juice. Add little more water, you know. Alright, that good, you know. Alright, so get little more juice. Ah, alright, see what the clock a strike, you know. I have to use a smaller strainer next time or a container of a bigger. You can enjoy it, Josh, you know. Good to go. Alright. So, what am I going to know? I go blend up the cocoa in the coconut juice. Yeah, so coconut juice. I blend it up in the coconut juice. Yeah, man. Alright, so cover the blender now. Yeah, man. Blend it up now. Cocoa right about now. Cocoa blend up in the coconut juice. Outside. Cover, you know. Alright. This I go straight in my pot on the fire now. Stay tuned. Don't forget on the pot. Alright. Go one side this so get on the pot proper. My style. Alright. I get in my cocoa and my coconut juice. Yeah, just like that. Come on. That is it. Be careful no cause the ashes will get in your pot, but don't worry about ashes still. Yeah man. I get a spoon for story man, keep on story man thing now. But just keep on story. I cook them porridge and I just keep storing, you know. Then I go add up the cinnamon and then some nutmeg. Yeah. Just go store him up. And put a bubble up and thing. Nice. So it's not too soft and it's not too thick. Rest this in also like so. That is it. Cinnamon tree right there so. So get some cinnamon leaf. Them cinnamon leave a small low. Small cinnamon leaves. I forgot myself we get a big leaf on them. I just work with them me have right so. So I work with them. If me can get a clean one cause and them a look black up. I like when they so black up. Might have to go up and tree up the sun cause them a look blackish. Like them a suffer. Oh sorry, them a suffer. Go up by next tree. I see them on there. They leave fine and them no so clean. So I get some cleaner cinnamon leaf and drop them in my pot. So y'all just stay tuned. Watch what I go on peeps. I want to know try the recipe here. I want to know try it for myself one at a time. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Put the pan fire. Look what I go on. Alright, see? Put the pan fire. See them way. I go get the cinnamon leaves them now. So I'm gonna get up cinnamon leaf them. No man. Get 5 of them. So I just rinse them off you know. Get them in the pot. Alright, so water the run here so. Just wash them off. My style. My pot. Nah, if you don't put in so much still in about. I just mean that. Yeah. Cinnamon leave them in there now. You can put some pimento seeds in it, you know. Nice it up and thing. Add in little vanilla but when me a sweet me I go add in vanilla still. Go fire burn me. Can't wait to taste this. First time, my very first time making cocoa porridge. Drink it one time already and I never when me dey drink it then time there, I can't even tell you how it tastes. But me know say it tastes nice. But me no recall that taste but now me do it for myself. Yeah. So me know what I go on. Me do it, you know. Me do it, you know. Me do it, you know. Alright. Porridge a bubble up. Alright, so right about now I add in some nutmeg. Because salt for go in there too. You want get in some nutmeg. Big up to all viewers and subscribers right about now. Alright, don't know. Nice up the porridge and thing. Little salt. Add in little salt, you know. Salt the pot, you know. That is it. Stir it up, you know. Keep stirring, keep stirring. Hey, don't get no trouble, you know. A nice simple porridge. Nothing too extra, you know. So nutmeg inside, salt in there, cinnamon leaves. So simple. No coconut juice in it too, you know. But ready. Put it off of the fire now. Sweeten it up and thing, you know. Oh, and slide on. See that, peeps? Aja. Slide on. Slide on that shape porridge to rat it. Ah, that is mercy. Ah, slide on that shape porridge. That shape porridge to rat it. Watch it. So my dash is still. Good. But sweeten up and thing, you know. You know, kitchen accident more while. Yeah. Slippers slide. Slippers are kind of slide, you know. The bottom smooth. Alright, so stay tuned, peeps. Little porridge left in a pot. So I sweeten up and taste it. Sweeten it up and taste it, you know. A good thing, see myself me I cook for. Alright, so as you can see, slide and drop and chew a porridge. So my porridge chew. No, no, I go on, but I sweeten it up. Sweeten up all left over. I get my porridge sweeten up, you know. Sugar me I use. No milk, just sugar. No milk, just sugar. Vegan style, yeah. No? Rastaman style. Porridge smell good too, you know. Oh, it's too sweet, you know. Some people have to use milk, but as long as coconut milk in it, I don't need no milk. Just a little sugar, and we're good to go. Got to carry all the vanilla. Right now, I'm kind of lazy, so my porridge dash already. But I didn't cook vanilla still, but I want to taste this and see how it tastes though. Time for give it a taste. Tastes good. Nice effort. Mm, mm, mm. Anyone interested in Calabash dishes or cups, please link up. Mm, mm. Nice. Alright, so I add little vanilla, you know. And add little vanilla to this porridge here. Cocoa porridge. So vanilla. Sorry, I'm not having natural vanilla. On I time I want to grow on the vanilla plant now. The vanilla plant in Portland. I think up Bay side. Nope, that's not too much, you know. Don't spoil it. Come on. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Cocoa porridge. Mm. Mm-mm. Nice. Mm. Just want to say, enough respect to our subscribers. Thanks for watching this video. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Coco Porridge. And do remember, if you are interested in Calabash dishes, link me up. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Calabash dish them active. Mm-mm. You should try this. This is a real strong back porridge. Mm-mm. Nice. Mm-hmm. This now? Mm. That is it, peeps. Finish up. Mm-mm. I'm out. Just put some water in the pot so it go and soak out. That easier for wash.